Journalist?
No.
So you're not a journalist? Okay.
No, I'm not a
Let's make this the
journalist.
last question, because otherwise it's going to go on and on and on and we'll just degenerate into something.
Yeah, no, I'm not a journalist. My name is Dr. Tanja Schwal. I'm here out of interest. I have some words of encouragement for you all, if that's okay. So first of all, I want to acknowledge that we're in the Caledonian Hall here. My daughters are Scottish, so that's a lovely connection. I'm from Germany. I've grown up in Germany, learning my history, understanding how it works. My brother is a historian there. He works with archives of the Third Reich. And we're well aware of the kinds of actions that sort of everyday people take to uphold those kinds of terrible systems like what has happened in our country. And the sort of things, the way it starts and the things it leads to. And I really want to acknowledge your parents, grandparents, great-grandparents who have sacrificed to stop that kind of horror happening in my country. So my words of encouragement following your talk, your presentation, which was perhaps not so much mentilated but revealing, is I want you to know that I, as a German, who I know my history and I know how it works, I want you to know that I'm horrified at what I've heard tonight. And there's a definite, there's a strong odor of 1930s Germany from what I've heard. And the encouragement I want to give you all is to honor your ancestors, because they have sacrificed to stop this kind of talk, this distortion of history, these lies. I have read the Treaty of Waitangi in the Maori language, and it absolutely enshrines Maori sovereignty. So honor your ancestors. Maori have welcomed us here generously into this country to live here forever and thrive here. This is how we repay them. Honor your ancestors by standing up and walking out.
Your ancestors would be ashamed of you.